Hey, Lexi and Dylan. Here's another book by Constance Lombardo. It's called Everyone Says Meow. Meow. Can you say meow? Welcome to that magical time when everybody says meow. Ready? Meow! Woof! Oh, it said woof. No, everybody does not say woof. Everybody says meow. Got it? Woof. Can you say meow? Woof. Please say meow. Woof. Meow. Woof. Oh. New plan, everybody. Everybody says meow. One guy says woof. Are we ready? Meow. Woof. Ribbit. Ribbit. What's happened? Did somebody say ribbit? I'm going to close my eyes and count to 3. And when I open my eyes, no more ribbit. 1, 2, ribbit. Oh, bummer. Another new plan. Everybody says meow, one says wolf, and one says ribbit. Ready? Meow, wolf, wolf, ribbit, quack, quack. There's a quack. Did you just say quack? Any chance you could say meow, quack? Is that your final answer? Quack. Oh. Okay, welcome to that magical time when everybody says whatever they want. Meow, 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 woof, rip, quack. Roar. Oh, everyone's wide-eyed now. Everyone's gone. Oh no. Was it something I said? The end. Night night babies. Love you.